Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will talk about some important points which you have to remember always while using variables in Python programming. First point is Python is case sensitive language. If you type like my value with small v, here v is small, and press enter, it will give an error because this variable name is different from that variable name where v is capital and here v is small. Okay, so please take care while reusing the variable name. Okay, then second point is while assigning our values to variables, we don't need to declare data types for variables to reserve memory space like other programming language, C, C++ or Java. Variable declaration or variable initialization happen automatically based on the value assigned. The interpreter decides its data type based on the assigned value. The third point is we can assign values to multiple Python variables in one statement like this. Here I am assigning age name equals to 36 Gaurav. So 36 is the age and Gaurav is the name. If I print age and name, it will give me the output 36 Gaurav. Okay. Fourth point is we can perform every math operation on these variables because it has some number, some value. For example, if I write my value plus 50, it will give me the output 150. If I write my value minus 30, it will give me this output, it will give me 120. Similarly, we can do any math operation on the variables. Okay, another point is whenever the expression changes or we reassign any new value to variable, Python associates with a new memory location to the variable for referencing that value and the old one goes to the garbage collector. For example, if I have assigned value 10 first time and then reassigning another value like 11, the id function returns different value. This id method is identity of the location of the object in memory. Okay, let me tell you in detail. What Python does is it creates an object when you assigning a value to a variable, right? So when I assign a value 10, an object 10 was created and was linked to it. The object was created in the memory and the variable was linked to it, right? And when I gave the variable a new value, when I assign a value 11, then the another object 11 was created. So the old link between test and 10 was broken and a new link is established between test and 11. So that's how Python works. When you reinitialize a variable, a new object is created, a new connection is made between the variable and the new object, right? And the last point is if you want to delete any Python variable, you can use the keyword del, del. Okay, so this is all about variables. I hope you understand the variable concept. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.